Good morning children, welcome in your moral teaching class. Children, today we are going to read lesson number 11 of your moral teaching book, Journey to the Top. From this lesson you will learn that through strong determination and willpower you can achieve any goal in your life. Children, all of us wish to achieve many things in life, but this is possible only if we have a strong willpower and determination. Determination is the ability to remain focused towards our goals despite all difficulties. Read the inspiring story of Arunima Sinha, who showed real courage and determination in the darkest phase of her life. So look at the title of this lesson, Journey to the Top. So children, this is the story of a journey from the tragic incident on the railway track to the top of the Everest. And this is the journey of a girl named Arunima Sinha, who set the dream to climb the world's highest mountain peak while she was lying on the hospital bed with one leg amputated. So let's read the lesson to know more about her. Arunima Sinha, a former national level volleyball player from Uttar Pradesh, lost her leg in an ugly incident in 2011. Some burglars demanded her gold chain. Here burglar means robbers, one who commit a theft. So some robbers demanded her gold chain and on her refusal pushed her out of a moving train. She was hit by a passing train and suffered many injuries. Injuries means physical harm or damage. This incident in 2011, which she describes as her darkest hour, changed her life completely. After the train accident, doctors had to amputate her leg below the knee. Children, amputate means to cut off or to remove any body part by surgical operation. So doctor had to cut off her leg below the knee. A rod was inserted inside her leg to provide support and help her to walk. So children, this is the story of a former national level volleyball player Arunima Sinha. 12th April 2011 was the day which changed the story of her life, when she was pushed out of a moving train by some robbers. Children, the robbers wanted to snatch her gold chain, and on her refusal they pushed her out of a moving train. And as she fell on the railway track, another train on the parallel track crushed her leg below the knee. She was saved from death, but one of her legs had to be amputated below the knee, and she got rods in her left leg. Next paragraph, children. When I was undergoing treatment at AIIMS, the full form of AIIMS is All India Institute of Medical Science. So when I was undergoing treatment at AIIMS for 4 months, I could not do anything on my own. But one day I decided to climb the Mount Everest, she says. She joined a mountaineering training camp in Uttar Kashi and got trained under ace mountaineer Bachendri Pal. She went through a long mental and physical training course. Sometimes she would become sad because she could not catch up with the normal people, but her strong determination kept her going. Now children, I am going to explain this paragraph. Arunima Sinha had no place for pity in her life. She decided to reclaim herself while she was lying on her hospital bed at AIIMS with one leg amputated. She decided to climb on the top of Mount Everest, the highest peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, children. And after she got discharged from hospital, she contacted Bachendri Pal. So who is Bachendri Pal, children? Do you know? Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. And after that, Arunima Sinha joined a mountaineering training camp in Uttar Kashi and got trained under Bachendri Pal. Although it was not easy for her to catch up with the normal people due to her artificial leg, but her strong determination kept her going. Next paragraph, children. After a lot of hard work, training and 52 days of difficult climb from Kathmandu to the top of the peak, she fulfilled her dream. On May 21, 2013, she reached the highest peak, which was 8,848 meters above sea level. Many times during her climb, her coach advised her to give up and go back due to bad weather conditions. But Arunima continued her journey with positive thoughts and complete determination. So children, after a lot of hard work, training and her strong determination, Arunima fulfilled her dream. Despite of facing many difficulties during her climb, she continued her journey with positive thoughts and complete determination. And finally, on 21st May 2013, she reached the highest peak, the Mount Everest, and there she erected our Indian national flag. Now, last paragraph, children. Arunima Sinha is an inspiration to all those who give up on their lives due to small problems. She has proved that a strong determination and willpower is far more important than a strong body. The 26-year-old Arunima Sinha changed her problem into an opportunity and became the first woman amputee to climb Mount Everest. India is proud of this young and strong daughter. Children, just at the age of 26, Arunima became the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. This achievement not only brought back her self-confidence but made her an inspiration to all those who give up on their lives due to small problems. Thus, she proves that once you start working towards your goal with strong will and determination, no physical disability can ever stop you to achieve that goal. So children, what are the reflections of this lesson? Reflections are: difficulties are part of life. People with strong determination and willpower work hard and overcome their difficulties. Set small goals in life and work with full determination to achieve them. Once you achieve your goals, move ahead in life and set bigger goals. So children, what is the moral of this lesson? The moral of this lesson is, with a strong determination and willpower, we can remove all obstacles of life. It's well said by Franklin D. Roosevelt, if we attack our problems with determination, we shall succeed. Thank you, children.